Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and welcome back to another episode on the fundamentals and basics of locksmithing. Now, if you work on commercial hardware, at some point you're going to have to start ordering replacement cylinders. And a technical term that gets brought up a lot, whether you're trying to purchase a rim cylinder, a mortise cylinder, or a key and knob cylinder, is the term drilled 6, pinned 5. Let me show you what that means. All right, now with these replacement cylinders, I have a couple different ones here, and we'll kind of go over all of them together. Let's just first just read one of these boxes here together and talk about it. So this one here is a R118, which tells us it's a rim cylinder, 1 1/8 is the length of the actual cylinder. SC is the Schlage, SC1 or SC4 keyway. 10B is the finish, thoroughbred bronze. And then the A2 at the end means they're key to like in pairs. So as you can see, this like right here, when I took this out of inventory, I had to rip a piece of tape off to grab one because they're taped in 2s, is what that means. 2 of them are key to like from factory. Now, with all rim cylinders that are like 1 1/8, with the mortise cylinder, so that's a M118 right here. This is also an 1 1/8. And the key and knob cylinders, all right, these are all going to be drilled 6-pin and keyed 5. So what does that mean? That means that this cylinder here is going to come with a SC1 key, which is a 5-pin key. So if we were to open this up, grab the keys out of it, okay, this is going to be a 5-pin key right here. But you can make it a 6-pin. Now, it's kind of, a pain a little bit that if, when you buy, let's say you buy this, M118 SC, mortise cylinder, and then you go and you need to pin it up to a 6-pin key, that just, or the SC4 key, that means that you're going to have to add a top pin and spring. And let me show you how to do that here. So I'm going to set these aside, and as what I did here is I grabbed a K001 cylinder. That is it's a really, really popular cylinder, and it's going to come with these keys, and this is the Schlage C 5-pin key, the SC1. Now, let's say we need to key it up to the SC4. No big deal. All we have to do here is let me take this, and I'll take off the back. Just like this. Okay. I'm going to set these little pieces aside and that little spring out of there. We'll go ahead, put the key in. I'll turn it. I'll grab my follower here. Take it out. Now, on the very back, I'm going to open this up here, and you're going to see there's this 6th hole right here, right? So this 6th hole right here, if you want to pin it up to an SC4 key or a 6-pin, all you have to do is, let me grab my tweezers here, is I will grab a spring, and then I will grab a top pin. I'm going to put it in there. There we go. Now, on the actual plug, as you can see, it's going to come with 5 pins in it because this was a 5-pin key, drilled 6-pin, pinned 5. And all we have to do now is if we were to take out our SC4 key and stick it in, we'd key it up, and there'd be a spot right here for that 6th pin. So that's what drilled 6, pinned 5 means. It means it's going to come with a 5-pin key, and it's going to come pinned to a 5-pin key. So if you need to convert it to a 6-pin, like in this case, a SC1 to a SC4, just make sure you add the spring and the top pin in the back of the cylinder, and then you'll be ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful. We'll see you next time.